Hi, I'm Chef Leoniel and I'll be showing you how to do Grain Mix Smoothie. First, Grain Mix Mango Pineapple Smoothie. Very simple ingredients. We need mango and pineapples. So we're going to add in pineapple into the blender. The mango. Next, I'm going to add in the coconut water. And remember to put in 1 scoop of the grain mix. And next, I'm going to add some ice cube inside. Once it is ready, we're going to put inside the glass. I'm going to garnish the use of pineapple and also strawberry. And here you go, the Grain Mix Mango Pineapple Smoothie. And next, we move on to create another smoothie, the Banana Peanut Butter Smoothie. I'm going to add in banana, the yogurt. Next, I'm going to add in the peanut butter and of course, the grain mix, 1 scoop of it, cocoa powder, a little bit of salt, and add some ice cube inside. Now that it's already blended, we'll pour it into the glass. Put some nice grapes and fresh strawberries. So here you go, 2 creation smoothies by Nutrabliss Grain Mix.